Right, good morning or good afternoon, wherever you are. Just making this video because I was going to change the crankshaft sensor on this car. It's a 2012 Kia Cee'd 1.6 diesel. When I looked online at any videos to how to do it, there were so many different places that the crankshaft sensor could be, and I couldn't find any videos that actually show exactly where it is. So I thought I'd just share this to see, obviously if I can help somebody, then saving the hassle that I've just had trying to find this. Obviously this is the new crankshaft sensor, and that's the part number for it. I looked at various videos. Some people said it was like down there, some people said it was at the back of the engine, so you had to jack the car up, hence why I've got the jack. Looked up underneath it everywhere, couldn't see it anywhere, and then I just happened to spot it from underneath. But the best way to actually get to it is not underneath the car. You're better off to go from the top. So what I done was I took the airbox all off and the turbo pipe as well. So I took this off the turbo, and obviously the airbox is all in there, so disconnect all of that so you've got this area to work in. It's not, you can't really see it, but the actual sensor is these two pipes here. Just up underneath these two pipes, the sensor is there. So it's kind of that where my hand is now is where the sensor is, just here. But like I say, you can't actually see it at all. And then the wire from the sensor, it runs down here. So under here, under this pipe. And then it goes to this metal bracket here. And this is the plug for the actual sensor. And so you can see where the actual plug is there. And then obviously you're going to do, I've already took it off. So you've got a 10mm bolt on the crankshaft sensor that you have to undo first, and then prise the sensor out, and then take the plug off. And then it's obviously just the reverse of what I've just done. So obviously start off by connecting the block up, putting it back in there, and then there's a little clip on the new one, so you don't have to worry if you break the clip off the old one, because that's what I done. I just pulled it and it just broke. So, and that clicks halfway along the block down here, and then obviously then you've got the the fantastic job of trying to get it back in again. So like I say, you've just got to put your hand around here and find the hole, which once you know where it is, it's not that much of a kind of pain in the arse to actually find. And then obviously you do your bolt up, put all your hoses back on again. Make sure you tighten up all your hoses nice and tight, especially the one on at the turbo, so you don't get no leaks. And that's kind of it. But it's taken me a long while to actually figure out how to do it, obviously with there being no videos. So if this helps one person, then my work here is done. Thanks for watching.